professional building, 17330 Northway Park Court, Southfield, Michigan. You got Schindler 300A. Let's go down the basement. Look how low the rock is down here. I can literally touch it. This is the basement. Let's see if the machine room's over here. Yep. Oh, it's a viscosity control. Huh. Guess we'll hear that real quick because that's kind of interesting. This building is right off of 8 Mile. And 8 Mile's the border between Detroit, so we're not even a fifth of a mile away from Detroit. So we're barely in Southfield. All right, now we're gonna take this elevator for a ride. Let's first close the door. Interesting that it says 3. Makes sense though, it is the third landing technically. 0299. This elevator's probably gonna go back down to the basement. Open the door. Door close does not work, as we know on Schindler's. And viscosity control should reactivate. Fixtures real quick before we get recalled down to the basement. It's a basic Schindler elevator. It's actually in pretty nice condition for the area we're in. This is right off of 8 Mile pretty much. Like I said, it's the border. Watch this. It's interesting the door opens. I mean, it is technically placing a call itself to go to the basement, and then it activates viscosity control, but a lot of newer elevators, they just go down the lowest floor, don't even open the door. All right, with that being said, let's end it on 1.